non-electric breast pump safely and comfortably. This breast pump works without electricity, batteries, or wires. It is simple, quiet, and easy to control. First, make sure the pump parts are clean and properly assembled. Sit in a comfortable position and stay relaxed. Place the breast shield gently over the breast, making sure it fits well and feels comfortable. Now, slowly squeeze the handle to create gentle suction. Release the handle and repeat this motion at a steady rhythm. You are in full control of the pressure, so pump slowly and stop if you feel any discomfort. Manual pumping allows you to adjust the speed naturally, just like baby feeding. Once finished, carefully remove the pump and store the milk safely. Clean the pump after every use, as per instructions. Thank you for watching. This manual breast pump is a simple, natural, and convenient option for everyday use.